What's up guys, welcome back. Miles Morales in his hoodie suit. I've never drawn him with headphones, that's crazy. So I gotta do that today. So, I always loved the hoodie suit. I hope they bring it back in some form. I think he looks coolest in this, with the red hood and the green jacket. It's just really authentic looking, or something. So, I'm going to start with the hood shape, right? Because it kind of covers his face a bit. So head will be here, and we'll just go down this way, right? Because it kind of covers his eyes maybe slightly. So we'll just do a kind of a arrow sort of pointing up here, kind of curved, pointing up there, like there's like stitching in the middle, just that way. So this will come down this way. So we'll go down longer, and it doesn't have to be like the same both sides, you know, because fabric moves and all that kind of stuff. And then it kind of comes into his jacket in here. So we'll kind of have like all these folding sort of lines, you know, for the hood and stuff. So I might just get the face shape in. So it kind of like, so it goes, it's kind of round, so it'll just go like this way. And then down in. And then we get his chin. And then it goes this way. And then it'll go around sort of his eye up here. All right, so roughly like this. And then you can roughly just sketch it out, maybe like the back of his neck and stuff. So neck, like I'll put it sort of here maybe. Right, so you get a rough idea now of his head. So the eyes, right, so kind of a bit higher than, well, maybe dead center. Is it middle? Is it exactly middle? Well, that's what I'm going to put them, maybe. More or less the middle. So we get like a little sort of spike. Like two little spikes. For roughly where each eye will start, right? Then we get this, the Spider-Man sort of shape, right? So it goes up and it'll go underneath the hood. Okay. And then the bottom of this one does that big curve. And then we have the white on the inside. Goes up here, can I see? Yeah, maybe. Kind of touches there maybe, and then comes down. Right, and sometimes, not all the time, with a little edge line. So what I mean is like a little sort of line that just follows that there. Just makes it look 3D. It's just a light little edge line. For anything metal or plastic or anything like that, just pops it for some reason. And we'll do the same on the other side again. Just goes off that way, and then this one curves around. So it's like up that high, in there somewhere. Then we get the white. And then we'll do that little sort of edge. This is an optional step. But I do find it helps. Okay, so then like the lines of his mask meet sort of in the middle. So you want like going here. and then another one down there, and then this one down there. And then we get these sort of curving together sort of mask lines. And then the two that go around his mouth. Now, of course, in Miles, I think these are red. Sometimes he doesn't have any stripes, which is interesting enough in its own right. We get this sort of middle section. And then we do the other lines then. So that's that one, and then we'll do another one up there. And then we'll just do these coming across. Now I'll do them on the face first. So you're going like, it's imagine you're going around in a circle each time, you know. So like, we'll have this kind of stuff then up here. So it's like, it's heavily shadowed up here, but I would imagine I should be able to see maybe one more. But it's kind of black up here, you know. But I think I should be able to see another one. Right, there's kind of like some neck muscles. Maybe just in there. So then, so like the hoodie, the side of it, so the headphones are kind of pressing it in here especially. So then this hood sort of folds itself down that way. That's like all squished in here because of his headphones. They're kind of pushing in the fabric, you know. And like the side of it kind of goes up. And it's so it sits, the headphones kind of sit on top of his head, so it's kind of like flat here. So we can see these boxes either side for the big round side of the headphones. And depending on how you did your fabric, you know, you'd be able to fit more on one side compared to the other. Do you know what I mean? So it's like that would probably go down lower, but this hood sticks out a bit more. And then we can see another little side of that. And then a little sort of clip that like attaches then to the headphones up the top. So where does it go on this one? That actually goes right down behind it. So let me see this, the start of the head part, so the bit that like sits on his head. And so it goes around the top. All right, so that's the headphones. So then, so his jacket kind of just keeps going down here. And then we get like a zipper on either side as well. So say jacket coming down, like 2 lines because there's a zip. An easy way to do it is just these lines coming across here. Might get maybe some fold lines just at the back of his hood as well. So before we deal with like the crest, I'll get the jacket, sort of the jacket coming down here. And you get like his shoulder line and his arm there. And then this side as well. All sort of folding down that way. Do do do. Now, so I think his crest is, so you could do the spray painted one, or it's like a slightly more refined one. Let's see. So I'll do probably the easier one. So like the center line of his chest is like there, right? And that's like a webbing line as well. But it goes into the middle of the spider's sort of fangs. Do you know, like that? Because it's the middle. And then the legs come out either side. Kind of spiky, right? And of course, we have the circle that goes the whole way around this, but it's easier probably to draw and then erase afterwards. You know, like the circle lines that come through. In my opinion, anyway. Right, and then coming down here. Then we get like a rough sort of abdomen down here. Then we get a leg out this way. And a leg out here. And then there's a circle that goes like all around, so. Oh, maybe it's in here actually. So that line might be incorrect. Sort of there. So that should join up here actually. Sorry about that, bit of a mistake, so I can just get rid of that. So it's just a circle going around, and I just overlapped it a bit there, unintentionally. But let's keep going. So, central line of his chest here, and then we get like webbing lines maybe that come down this way, and you might have maybe like his neck just gone in there. And we're just going to roughly try and bump these lines now across his neck here. Maybe like another layer just here, maybe. So the webbing in Spider-Man is usually like the most tedious part, like the most boring sort of part. And just wherever you see a gap in the red, you know. And should be another vertical line there and there. Maybe here. Alrighty. Should there be another one in here? That's the question. Nah, maybe not. Alright, but I think I'll leave it there, Miles Morales. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.